guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're making beauty salon craft kit. It's easy and fun. Just peel and stick. It's for ages 5 up. So let's do it. This is the face. And we will, sprinkle, sprinkle. Let's do it. That's enough. Okay, Mom. Mama's cooking. Delicious. Oh, we need a scissor. In case we need it, okay? It's right here. Here's the hair. This is yarn. Yes, it's a yarn, black yarn. Black yarn. Black yarn. Set aside. We have silver foam and gold foam. So this is super cool, guys. So let's set aside. And just little, kind of thing. Okay, guys, here is the design. Here's the makeups. Here's the eyeball. Here's the eyelashes, like this. And here's the, I don't know what is this, kilay? Ma? This one. Eyebrow. And this is the lips. And hearts and stars. Super cool, right? And a pimple right here. You need to try this. It's super fun and super cool. Let's put this makeup. So let's set aside this one. The face of the beauty queen. Lombi. Super cool though. Let's trash. Yeah. Now I don't know how to do it. So let's first do the makeup. Okay? Let's do the makeup. Okay. Let's do the makeup, guys, okay? Here it is. Which one you will pick? Pick. This one? This one or this one? Pick. And this one. This one? Okay. Let's try it first. So let's just pop it up. Pop in the top. Let's do it. Put it right here, okay? So, just nice and perfect. Super realistic though. Here it is. Cool. You have the perfect pick. You have a perfect choice. Super cool, right? Oh, you can change it. Yeah, look, guys. If you want to take off this, just take off and pick whatever you want and just put it. Yeah. So you pick this and we will play it later. Okay, let's get another one. Don't peel this, okay? That's not in the picture. Yeah, it's in the picture. So let's peel it. It's super hard to peel because it's paper. It's in a paper. Here, now let's stick it right here. You see something lying? And you will put it like this. Just like that. And let's put it nice and perfect. There! You have a perfect select. You have a perfect pick. Now let's get the eyeball. Pick whatever you want eyeball. This blue, this green, this dark brown, this light brown, this pink, and gray. What you want? This one? Pink? Okay, good choice. I want the pink too. Good choice though. Here it is, and put it whatever you want. Like this. Like this. Like this. And like this. And like this. Not like that, just like in the middle. I will put it right here. I don't care. get another one. There. And put it like the same thing last like this. This look like it's like perfect. Now let's get the lips. Let's get thick lips. Oh, lips. You want red? Just pick. Just pick. Whatever you want there. This one? This one? Or 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 this one? This is what you pick. So you pick this. Now let's peel it and stick it. Right here. Right here. Eyeshadow. Oh, no. Eyebrows. Yes. Pick eyebrows. I will pick. You pick the eye, the eyelashes, and the lips. Now we'll pick the eyebrows, okay? Okay? If okay, click that like button and smash it. Holly Amber, Holly Amber, Holly Honey, 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 Honey. You're clean. Why you can take off? Yeah. Now I can take off. You scared me. Now it will just look like a fin. Now let's put it right here. No lines, so just put it whatever. There. That's kind of pretty good. Now. Sorry. Let's get there! The beautiful hair in the back here. Look like this. And little cute little pie. What? And cute little pie. My hair! Now let's do it. This? It's not so pretty. I'm not vomiting. Never I've been vomiting as in my time. I didn't vomit. Just can't believe it. There. Don't even leave it. Hurry. Yay, we did it! Yay! Okay. The real hair. Yeah, like this. There's a white right, so let's put the hair. Okay, guys, now let's do the hair. Now I peel it already, and let's get the yarn and just like straight lines, okay? Just peel all of it. I will peel all for no reason. Look like bold in the side and here is the side. That was. No, let's go. Let's first do this. Now stop. Let's first start here in the top and go to the bottom. Oh, in the bottom. It's dangerous. Now let's cut. It's not look like sticky enough. It's not sticky enough though. Oh, it's sticky enough. Like so. There, like that, guys. Okay. Now we will do this. Now get this and just go to the top. That's not nice. Be careful. Okay, now let's do this. Now let's cut. Like that. Like this. Like this, okay guys? Like this. you need to cover the ears because the picture said. If you want details, like Elsa's hair, yeah, like Elsa's hair, like I don't know what that. So let's continue. La 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 la. Hawaii. Now you know, now you know that I am. Now. There in. We need to cover the ears, okay, guys? Because the picture I see is like covered the ears. This is super cool and super fun. Handy, can you? Oh no. Thank you, Handy. Because it's super heavy too. Nice. Oh gosh, I made it wrong. Just kidding. There. And super cool, guys, though. And what's the guys? We have mini hair and long hair. So let's do the hair. Let's get this mini first. Cover your nose. Like that. One more. There are only mini pieces. Like that. Now let's get the scissor to cut this edges. Like that. Now let's get the long and like this. Nice and carefully. Oh gosh, it's stuck. Huh? There, like that, and let's get one more. So you can also just form it like this. It's thick. There, one more. One more. One more. One more. One more. That's it. Now let's put all of it. Now let's cut the edges. Guys, it looks like girl, no house. With glitters and hearts and stars and pimples and shiny thingy. Now let's do it. Now let's get the tones out. One pound out. Ma-pa-ping ping. Now let's get these ones. It's glitter, guys. Super glittery. And cool. So like that. Now let's get these ones. Let's put some heart thingy. Put everywhere the hearts. Everything, all the phones. Nice! I was slapping your butt with my fist. Let's get one more hearts. Heart. Let's get one more heart. Let's put it right here in the head. I want there. That's mine. And let's give it to her. This is me. We are the same thing. Cool. Now let's get balls. Stars. A lot of stars. Do you like stars? Comment down below, okay, guys? I will make this perfectly good. Okay, now let's get gold. Oh, nice one. Nice gold. There, and one more for me. There. I look like a Bobby. Ow. Bad idea. Don't do that, guys. It's super hurt. I will just put it in my face. Slap my face. Wolfus. Now put some horse. I like pretty. Let's get some stars, bro, stars. Stars. I'm making random. I love it when I have a sticker in my face. I'm beautiful. I'm kind of beautiful. There. There. And there. Oh, one more. And there. That's kind of enough. Now let's get these ones. Balls. Bowls. And beautiful. I am the little jungle. Now let's decorate it na lang. There in. I look like a star. Now, we're kind of done. You want to see? Ready? Set. Go. Here it is. We are twins. We are twins. Mom, can you get it? And just like put this in. Now, let's play it. Let's play. I have a blower. Now let's get the color hair. There, she's kind of good. Now let's iron. Let's brush her hair. And let's design it. Ta-da! Okay guys, I hope you like my video and please subscribe, click the bell button and share. Okay guys, and see you guys next time. Bye!